Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some super easy and refreshing pepinadas. In case you guys don't know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by peeling 6 cucumbers. So we're just going to remove the ends. Okay, now we're just going to peel them. We're going to cut it in half and remove the seeds. Okay, so just cut into smaller pieces and transfer it to the blender cup. And repeat the process to the rest of the cucumbers. Okay, so as we have our cucumbers in our blender cup, now we're going to squeeze our limes until we reach half a cup. So make sure that your limes are nice and juicy. And just squeeze. Okay, and once we have our lime juice, now we are ready to make our cucumber and lime mixture. Okay, to our blender, we're going to add our lime juice. Sugar, I'm using 1 cup. And 2.5 cups of water. Okay, so now we're going to be blending for about 3 minutes. Alrighty, so as we have our cucumber mixture, we're going to transfer it out of our blender cup. Okay, so I'm just going to transfer it to a pitcher. Okay, so now we can get our ice ready. Okay, so I'm going to be using my blender to crush my ice. I already fill it up with ice cubes, and I'm just going to be using the ice crush button. Alright, so once my ice is ready, I'm going to transfer it out of the blender cup. And look at that. Okay, and I already have my bucket here. I'm just going to get all of my ice. Okay, and just repeat the process. All right, so once we have our ice ready, now we are ready to put our pepinadas together. So I'm going to grab my cup. Okay, I'm going to dip the rim in some chamoy. And then into some Tajin. Okay. I'm going to add some chamoy on the walls of the cup. I'm going to add some chopped cucumbers. Going to add our cucumber mixture. Make sure that you mix it before pouring. We're going to add our ice. Add some more cucumber, more mixture, and repeat. And once we get to the top, I'm going to garnish it with some cucumber. Sandwich. Pour some more of our mixture. Top it with some fresh cucumber. A little Tajin. We're going to top it with our Tamarindo straw. And just like that, cheers and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
The taste test.
No, we are so ready. Our mouths are so watery. And you know, right now it's starting to get hot. So this is seriously super refreshing. The best part is that you have it in just a few minutes. You know, you don't have to wait to freeze them or do any of that. So when you're hot and you're feeling like refreshing yourself, then this is just the best way to do it. So you ready? So Giovanni prepared his. So we are so ready. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Super refreshing. The best. So good. And it's not too sweet. For me, it's just perfect. You know, it's just refreshing. The cucumber, the lime, you know, of course the chamoy and all of that, it's extra, but it is so good. And of course you can also do it like mango, how I did on my previous video. I will leave the link in the description box so you guys can go check it out, so you can try that one too. But this for me, the best. Good, huh? Yes, so good.
I like mine.
Yeah, you can enjoy the Tamarindo.
Yeah, I'm able to enjoy the powder.
The ice, it's like, my kids love snow cones, so for them this is just the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious pepinadas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.